what's going on? It's Ultimate Self. Today we're going to talk about the push-ups. First exercise, but second one we're going to talk about in this series. All right, so in 2 videos ago, we talked about a workout that I showed you guys. So a workout you can do every single day. Now the workout was push-ups. It was squats. It was I forgot to work out myself. Push-ups, squats, crunches, glute bridges, and eagles. The eagles, you can go look it up. But it's basically exercise. I'm kind of holding the selfie stick. You take your hands up like this, and you go as far back as possible and bring it forward for your upper mid back. All right, so moving forward, we are actually talking about the push-ups today and why you have to do them the way I prescribed on this channel. Now, when you're doing push-ups, a lot of people go halfway. And when I say halfway, I'm not talking about your elbow. A lot of people straighten your elbow and you think, oh yeah, I'm okay. I'm doing it full range of motion. No, you're not. Because push-ups is not necessarily for your triceps. It's meant for your chest and just your upper torso region in general, your deltoids, your chest. So when you are doing it, you have to make sure that your shoulders goes through its full range of motion. So let's take it from here. All right, so I'm right here. So we'll start with the push-up right here. All right, so when you're doing the push-ups, you don't do this. All right, you see how I kind of stop? You want to push forward. All right, you get better contraction. Let's look at the chest. All right, so let's look at this. All right, and let's look at this. You can't really see. All right, let's see if you can see it this way. All right, so you do this. You don't really get a full contraction, but if you push through, you notice that this is a much harder contraction. I wish I had a better separation so you guys can see. But when you're doing it, you can feel a much greater contraction when you go through the full range of motion of your shoulders or your scapula, your shoulder blades. All right. So when your shoulder blades goes as forward as possible, that's when you get the full benefit of the push-up. You get a full contraction of both your triceps, you get your full contraction of your chest, you get a great contraction for your deltoid. So when you're doing the push-ups, you got to make sure you go all the way up through, make sure your shoulder blades come as out as possible, and then go back down, and then you are done. Have your chest hit the ground, guys, don't cheat. Have your chest hit the ground and come all the way up, scapula completely out, and then go back down, hit your chest to the ground, go all the way up and back down. All right, that's how you do the push-ups for a great benefit. All right, so you want to make sure that you don't cheat during the push-ups, you don't cheat during the push-ups. All right, so that is the exercise or the breakdown of the exercise for today. Make sure that you do not ever cheat, because the only person you're cheating is yourself. For any exercise you have step, the only person you're cheating is yourself. You're not cheating anybody else but yourself, all right? So that's the wisdom or whatever that I have to share with you guys. Just like the video, subscribe, and come back for more. Next week, we're going to talk about the glute bridges and why it is so important for you. All right? See you guys next time. Deuces.